Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Crypto Dad is here with you. In today's video, I'll be taking you through Nodepay Airdrop. I know most of us are already participating in this Nodepay Airdrop, and for most of us that are not participating, so I'll be taking you through on how to get started right now. And if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, you have to click on the subscription button beneath this video and also turn on your post notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I drop any video. So what we do on this channel is we make videos on testnet airdrop and also social fee airdrop. No Telegram bots here, so let's just get started. So as we all know, Nodepay airdrop is just like the grass airdrop, and for this particular project, the Nodepay, we have to install our extension. That is the Nodepay extension. You see it here. I already installed the extension here. So I'll be dropping a link to get started in this video description. And going over to my Telegram channel, so you see I already drop an update about this airdrop on my Telegram channel. Coming over to my Telegram channel, you'll be seeing the link here to get started in this Nodepay mining airdrop. So this is a mining project. You just have to whenever you're online like that, just make sure you are connected to the extension to be mining for you. Once the TGE has been launched, that is the point to be converted to the token for you, just like what grass did. Okay, so we have to copy the link here. Once you've copied the link, you have to create an account. Then when you're creating an account, you have to verify your email. Then once you've verified your email, you have to download the extension. So there's a link to download the extension here. Just click on the link, and you can also hold it down to copy the link. Then just come over to your browser here, come over to pasting the link here. So once you paste in the link, you'll be taken over to Chrome extension to install Nodepay extension. So you see, already installed this extension already. Once you've installed the extension, just go ahead to open the extension. Then you have to log in that particular account you created into the extension. Then you have to click on the connect button here. So you see your Nodepay account will be connected to the website which should be mining every day. So you see today's earning I'm presently making here. And we also have this daily treasure claim, 100 points. You'll be claiming 100 points daily on this website. And when you click on this your profile here, you see this section where you're saying claim voucher. So once you click here, you just have to enter a voucher code. So Nodepay always release some voucher code for you to use to claim about 2000 points here. So you have to be fast when you are claiming this voucher. So you see the code I paste here, just copy the code. Then you have to go over to the Nodepay website, then just paste in the code here. Then you have to click on this claim voucher. But this code have already expired. Once there's another code, I'll be dropping it in my Telegram channel, so you don't have to miss this voucher. You have to claim the voucher. You see, presently I'm currently mining the Nodepay airdrop. And how did I know I'm presently mining? Because it showed I'm connected here. So I'm connected to this airdrop already. And if you want to get your referral link, so you just have to click on this referral program. So for this particular project, you can also use your mobile phone. So you can use Kiwi browser, you can use Mrs. browser to perform this airdrop. You have to install an extension, and those are the browser that support you installing extension. You can install extension on Kiwi browser and also Mrs. So you see my invitation link here. Just go ahead to copy your link, then you can go ahead to invite your friend. There is a bonus for each successful referral, about 100 Nod points. Okay, so we also be seeing the referral management here. Then you can see the total successful referrals you've made and also your pending referrals here. So you see I was able to get just 100 Nod points for these two. Okay, so at this mission and reward, so this way you'll be seeing mission and the reward you'll be getting here. So you see network connection, referral quest, and lot like that. So you have to connect your Discord account. So for you to do that, just come over to this mission and reward. Then you have to scroll down. So you have to join Nodepay Discord, verify your email address, and also follow Nodepay on X, connect your Twitter accounts, and also Discord. So you have to make sure that you've done this social engagement mission. You have to do these tasks. Okay, and also we have this knowledge quest, understanding. So just go to perform the tasks. Then you also be seeing the referral quest here and also network connection here. So you see the daily check-in. I've already checked in for 2 days now. So you see 7 days check-in bonus. You'll be getting about 400 points here. Like I said, I'll be updating us more about this project. Bye guys, and stay tuned for more updates.